Hi, in this video, let me show you how to set up a TV antenna with your JVC Roku TV. I'll also show you how to scan for channels. So let's get started. If you don't have an antenna, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon to purchase one. Every time you go through my links, I get a very small commission from them. Step number one is to connect the antenna. Here I have turned the TV. The antenna connector is right over here, this one. Take your antenna and we need to screw it in. So place it inside this port, and then you see the tip of this connector spins, and just like that you'll be able to lock it in. Once you're done and it doesn't spin anymore, okay, make sure it's staying there. You're going to place this antenna, this is very important, place it close to a window. To scan for channels, press the home button, and over here we're going to go in settings. Press settings, go down, and we want to select TV inputs. Press OK. Go down and select live TV. Press OK again. Select setup input. Press OK. Go down and select antenna and press OK. The scanning will start. It may take up to 10 minutes, so be patient. Here you can see how many channels it has found. Again, I highly suggest you move this antenna close to a window. Where I am right now, okay, you see it didn't find any channels because obviously I'm in a basement far away from a window. Let me place this the closest possible to a window to at least get one channel. Okay, I'll press start over, antenna. Okay, this time it has found 2 channels. At this point you can click on watch live TV and it will show you the channels it has found. Okay, press OK. So that's one of the channel it has found, and if I tap OK on the up arrow here, I can go to the next one. If you go on the home page, okay, I have pressed the home button here. Then you're going to select live TV guide. And here on the left side where you see, okay, if you go in, all channels, and I press the right side arrow, I'll be able to see under all channels, antenna TV. And these will be my 2 channels it has found that I can watch. You see, there's many other ones. Actually, there's hundreds of other channels. These are not channels that your antenna picked up. These are Roku internet channels. They're free to use, so I can select any of these, press OK, and it will launch it. These are using Wi-Fi instead of your antenna, and they're free. They come included with your TV. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.